which is growing can be used as a sort of collateral. Only you have to take care. Yes. Yes, we have a sort of a system of value chain financing where the crop that's growing, that's the collateral. Only you have to make a contract that in the end the farmer sells this crop to a company which pays directly to your bank. Ik draai een financieringscursus voor Ghanese studenten. Die studenten zijn afkomstig van Ghanese banken, de Nationale Bank, Microfinance Institute. En die willen wat meer weten van de financieringssector in Nederland, hoe die werkt en vooral ook hoe in de agrarische sector gefinancierd wordt en hoe je een goede financiering moet opzetten.
I chose BSN because of the opportunities it provides to meet other international students in my field and to see how others in Europe are doing it, different from the way we are also practicing finance in my country.
Van belang is om te realiseren dat de agrarische sector, want daar focussen ze zich met name om, dat die agrarische sector anders is dan andere sectoren. Er zitten wat hogere risico's. Maar door de financiering op te zetten en de analyse van de bedrijven te doen, zoals we dat hier in Nederland ook doen, kun je een heel groot deel van die risico's uitsluiten.
Action learning is, to me, is basically putting into practice the theories, the concept that you learn, and then putting them into practice, apply it in your organization.
When I would be a banker, I would ask for formalizing in a sort of a contract, etc. Otherwise, you can mention a person, and after 2 weeks he's gone, and then the bank doesn't have that security anymore.
Action learning is having applied what you've learned to practice, and I've of course experienced that in the phase 1 program, and it has imparted special knowledge.
So when I visit a farmer, I put exactly what I learned in the classroom into practice. Dat is action learning.
Probeer te stimuleren dat ze zelf over die problemen nadenken en zelf met oplossingen komen. Maar ook later in de namiddag pak ik een real case, een echt gewoon praktisch voorbeeld van een bedrijf. En dan moeten ze mee aan de slag met de kennis die ze hebben om te laten zien dat ze ook zelf een bedrijf kunnen analyseren en een financiering in elkaar kunnen zetten.
I have a very unique background. I've never done business before, and I found myself to be in a bank, and I thought I have reached the point where I have to develop my capacity in order to meet the high demands of the company.
For many people who have new ideas, they're not willing to start small. And that's very challenging for anybody to, even if it's a grant, to believe in you. Because you should at least have a pilot, what it looks like, what is likely to look like, even with a limited funding.
I am the managing director of the company I belong to now. It's a financial institution, and so being the person in charge of the day-to-day affairs, I think I have to do the MBA now so that it could help me to improve upon my performance.
De mensen die komen hier zijn echt uit hun werk, dus kunnen zich nu concentreren op het opdoen van kennis. Maar tussentijds kunnen ze ook onderdelen van het land zelf bekijken en kunnen ze ook in de praktijk zien hoe het ook echt werkt en kan werken.
So we want to learn new ways of agri-finance. So I explained to my bosses, they understood, and they put me on the program.
Don't be arrogant. Explain why you need the information and what you do with the information. And then the third time, that's also what you said, when you have the appointment with the client, do a good preparation of this appointment.
I'm coming to learn modern ways of agriculture, financing of agriculture, and how to help the farmers grow into business entities.